Ayan po. Progress. Additional that's been done po. This area po already prepared to be it's been done with sander po to be colored na lang po. This area only. This one not yet. And this one. That area po has been painted with base. This one already sandered. Go down there, baby. Go down. Go down. You might fall down. Ayan po. Also, the pipe is been applied with the chemical that's for automotive paint, so that the paint will stick to it. And also the downspout po is colored brown also, like that color. This been colored earlier po. This area is done also. This one not yet. Ayan po. This area is done. The lower part and the upper part. I think they still not gonna move the structure because of the electrician needs to put the lights first before removing all of it. So they have a strong standpoint. Sample of the color, as you can see, it's glittery when hit by the sun. Also the canopies head glittery also, but that should be gold. It's just been hit by the pearl color of this area. The front part po, and they haven't applied this area by the cosmic dust gold. Also that area po not yet. They will put brown here first, the base, then all this area will be all together put by cosmic dust po gold. Our painters are already going home na po. I borrowed their tricycle because our generator broke down. Needs some fixing by a mechanic. Ingat, ingat! Pakisuyo na lang yung gate. Yung gate, pakisuyo, pasara. Bebe, come here. Two, three. I think 3 panels of sliding windows are not yet installed, and also 4 sets of sliding door. Ayan po. I think we can't remove this yet po because they still gonna paint here with the cosmic dust. Also this area po, the top part not yet been yeah, this area po not yet done all the way to the back. Only the low part are prepared, and the post I think not yet. These two only, 1, 2. This one is not yet because there's still marks of hands, and also the pipe we need to color it same as the wall. Ayan po. That's it. Kabush.